So what I decided to do is just kind of have it kind of flow down here, and then I'm just going to hide a little the end of it behind the bobs there. So we're not going to make a reel or anything with it today. So set that on like so, and I just want to pop the board just a little bit more. So if it was, you know, on the side of the lake, there'd probably be a few weeds or something there. So this is the green buttercream in a bag. It doesn't have a tip. If you want to make like a leaf tip, type of a leaf tip, take your scissors and you want to just cut a V. So I've cut one side and then the other side. Take that paper out, see how it's a V shape? Make sure the paper doesn't go in your graham crackers. And I can kind of use this to secure these bobs also. So you want to squeeze and just kind of pull up. Just kind of like some little weeds here and there. Now obviously the buttercream's not going to stick to the graham crackers, so you have to move some of the graham crackers out of the way. Put one down here. And we'll have some down here, and I need to secure these also, so I may as well squirt some of that underneath and then have some come through the sides. Okay, and then what I'll probably just do is take a couple of these little hooks, these extra ones, and maybe just kind of sit these. Now the chocolate might be set up already. Yeah, I can, oh, here's comes a little bit. Use a little bit of the chocolate on the back and just kind of secure that to the bob there. And you could just kind of have a couple laying around. And there we go. I think he is going to love it. Absolutely love it. Turned out really cute.